Welcome to AYS Maths channel. In this video, I will be solving questions from the topic percentage, and this question is from compound interest. Okay, and this question has been taken from the paper to HR June 2023, and let's read the problem. Okay, Ferozi invests 80,000 Kenyan shillings. He invests the money for 3 years at X% compound interest each year. At the end of 3 years, the total interest he receives is 6,151.25 Kenyan shillings. Work out the value of X. Okay, because this is the compound interest question and I should know the formula for the compound interest that I've pasted here. So the compound interest, P is basically the amount that we invest, and A is the amount after investment we get after a couple of years, and 1 plus R is basically the percentage. Okay, and T stands for number of years. So now let's use this formula for this question. And okay, Ferozi invests 80,000, so P here is 80,000, and for 3 years, so 3 years, T is the time, 3 is the time, and the total interest he receives is 6,151. So 6,151 is the interest, is not the accumulated amount. Remember that, okay, because it says that the total amount for 3 years he receives is 6,151. So okay, so if I wanted to get to know what is the accumulated amount after 3 years, so I will, because AP is the principal amount, the original amount is 80,000. So on 80,000, one more zero, okay, on 80,000 he receives 6,151.25 Kenyan shillings. So let me add in it to get to know what is the accumulated amount. So 6,151, I need to erase it and I'll write it in a proper way. Okay. So let's add 6,151.25. So I'm going to use the calculator here. So 8,006, okay, this is 86,151.25, which is 86,151.25. All right, so this is basically A, the accumulated amount for after 3 years. So let's copy the formula here. A equals to P into 1 plus R, and 1 plus R is basically the percentage, X percentage. So A is 86,151.25. Principal amount, we know it's given in a question, which is 80,000. And 1 plus R and power of 3, because time is given here for 3 years. Right, let me erase it and make it closer. So this is the A. Okay. So because I have to find out X percentage, the value of X, I will solve for X first. So let's divide 86,151.25 by 80,000, 3 4 zeros, and it's for 3 years. Remember, R is the annual rate. Okay, and that is always given in form of a percentage. Okay, so let's divide it. I'm going to use the calculator here. 86,151.25 divided by 8, 1 2 3 4 zeros, and I've got here 1.0769. Okay, I'm just writing into 4 or 5 decimal places so I get the accurate answer. This is for 3 years. I just want to, now I want to get rid of the power. To get rid of the power, I'll take a cube root 1.07, because cube root is the inverse of power of 3, which is 1 plus r, and cube root of 3. Again, I'm gonna use a calculator here. So shift 3 and my answer here, and that is 1.025. 1.025 is 1 plus r. R is the rate, okay, and it is written in percentage. Remember that. I want to find out r, which means that which is basically x. You can change it to x, or if you want to keep it as r, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna shift 1 here. So 1.025 minus 1 equals to r, and that is 0.025. And because this is written in form of a percentage, so I times it by 100. Yeah, r means basically some percentage, okay, as I have shown you in a formula. The r is basically annual interest rate, and that is always written in form of a percentage. So I times it by here by 100 to convert into a percentage. So 0.025 multiplied by 100, and that is equals to 1 and 2, 2.5%. Okay, and that is which is my x. You can write x here as well, it's up to you. So x is basically 2.5. Okay, and they ask for the x%, so that is 2.5%. All right, I hope you found this solution helpful, and this explanation is clear to you. If you want to watch more videos, you can look into the playlist. You will find out plethora of videos on percentage and compound interest. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AYS Maths channel. See you in the next video. Bye.